you are all well and looking forward to the new school year. Now obviously this isn't the school year that I had planned. I wasn't expected for it to cut short, and we would have been spending lots of time together at the end of the year, kind of saying our goodbye together, but instead I have created this video for us so that we can kind of say our goodbyes. So I can't believe the year we've had and how much you have grown. This is your first visit to HJS. Hopefully it didn't make you moan. Here we've got some of our pictures on that very first day when you came up in year 2 to visit the school. The nerves of the first day were soon met with a smile. Oh no, Miss Harden says, we're off to do the Daily Mile. Over the past year, we have learnt and explored together. We have discovered ancient civilizations and created memories to treasure forever. So here we've got kind of our ancient Greeks, that lone box. We've got Fatima and Noah hidden behind a mask here. And then we've got all of you dressed up in your fantastic ancient Egyptian costumes. We celebrated Roald Dahl Day with a frobscottle cheer, something you can remember year on year. We have had trips, visits and dress-up days galore. I wish we had the time for even more. Greek myths you have acted out and retold. You've never given up till the challenge was resolved. You've made fantastic moving monsters during DT week, some so scary that you might shriek. You've played TT Rockstars and kept fit in PE. I'm so proud of you all. Good luck in 4G. I will miss you all so much 3H, and we'll go and show year 4 that you can do it.